Welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with our tutorial. So today what we are going to do is how to create a subdomain. Let me give you an example. Now for instance, when you look at this website, that is course.eradar.com. okay, this website is being hosted on a subdomain. Okay, the main domain is eradar.com, which is our official website. Okay, that's the main domain. Okay, so this is our main domain. So in it, that is the question is, why subdomain? For instance, let's say you already have a domain. Okay, you have a website, you want to create another website for the same brand. Okay, for the same brand, but you don't want to pay for another domain. Or if you are to buy another domain, it means that it's either you have to go for a different extension or you have to change the name, because there's no way you can also get the same eradar.com. What I'm trying to say is, for instance, I have already I have this domain, that is eradar.com, okay, which is my domain. Okay, and if for instance I'm creating another website for the same brand, okay, and I don't want to, I want to use the same name, I can't go with eradar.com again. Okay, it's impossible, because this domain has been registered already for the same company. So if I have to register another eradar, then I have to go for a different extension like eradar.net or .org. Okay, or if I want to maintain the same domain for the same brand, then I can use a subdomain, so that it will be something like, as I have here, course.eradar.com. okay, or let's say if it's about shop or more, let's say shop, I can say more.eradar.com. okay, and that is a subdomain. That's what about subdomain, that is creating another domain, okay, for the main domain. Let me put it in that way. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, first let me close this and close my official website. Okay, let me open the official website again. I think I didn't like, okay, I don't know why, but didn't open well for me. Let me see. Okay, good, so it's working. It has a nice background video. Okay, so if you want to learn more about us, you can pay us visit. Okay, this is our official website. Thank you. Let's move on. Good. So what I'm saying is, so in order to do that, first let's go to our hosting platform. Okay, so to do that, let's go to host.eradar.com. host.eradar.com is below this video, so let's go there. Okay, first we have to log in. Okay, so to do that, let's go to the client area. Okay, where you have to enter your username or email and the password. Okay, let me do that. And yes, I'm on my dashboard. That's my account. Okay, so I can go to the panel, okay, by clicking here. Then it will take me to my panel. Okay, good, I'm already inside. It's quite unfortunate that because I just log in, that's why this time did not ask me to enter my password. But when you do, they will ask you to enter your password. Okay, so what are we going to do? As I said, we are going to look at how to create a subdomain. Now, to create a subdomain, okay, first here, go to DNS. Okay, here DNS. So let me click that, and over here, sorry, we don't have. Okay, so let me see. I think we're supposed to have a DNS here. I think there is a problem here. Okay, I think mistakenly I've deleted it. Okay, so I think let me see if I can do that. I can create it again, or let me delete this domain and create it again. So first, let me pause the video. Okay, before. Okay, so yesterday when we were adding the domain, we entered the domain here and select this. You have to select this, and then if you like, you can go with the Gmail. We will come to that later. Then you add it. We have already added the name server. Okay, So we are just adding the domain. We are doing it, we are doing it again. Okay, now let's come back here. The domain has been added. Now we want to create our subdomain. To do that, go to the name server. Okay, so come here, and when you put a mouse on it, you see this three lines. Click on that, it will expand. Okay, then we have all your records. Okay, all your records are here. So we are going to add a subdomain records. Okay, so for instance, we can click add records. Okay, so then under records, we want to enter the subdomain here. This is Radar Tech. Okay, so let's say we are creating a course. Okay, a course website. Then we can say course. Okay, so we will have course.radar.ga, course.radartech.ga. Okay, and this is the subdomain that we will get. Okay, because that's created for us. Okay, so this is now the type A is okay, and then here we have to enter the IP address. Okay, it's quite unfortunate that I did not copy the IP address. Let me go down and see if it is here. It's not here. So what I will do is I will just go back again, and then we will see it here. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, so let me copy it. Let me copy that. Okay, then and go back again. So now I will clean this and enter, let's say course. Good. And then the type, we have different one here, but maintain the A records. Then enter your IP address here. Okay, make sure that there is no space. Okay, good. After that, leave the rest. Okay, don't touch it, leave it. I want to copy this because I will use it, so I will copy it. Okay, so after that, let's save it. Good, it has been saved. As you can see, let's go back here, and now let's go back to our web, and here now this package I've added one, so now you can add up to 2 websites. Okay, so when you click here add web, we can now enter our, let me delete this, our domain now. Okay, so course.radartech.ga. Now let's select this. Okay, let's leave this because they are under the same domain, so we don't want to have info at course.radar. Now it's too long, so you leave the email, sorry, and let's save that. Let's save it. Good. So now it is saved. When we go back to our domains, now we have this. Okay, so when I click here, then it will open. Okay, and now so we see it's working perfectly. You can now activate the SS certificate and then statistics if you want. We have already done that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Our next video we will continue from there. Bye bye.